Welcome back, boys. Welcome back, boys. Welcome to the channel. Right now, we're at the gas station. We're meeting up with Sticks. We're about to go downtown and make some noise. We're about to terrorize downtown. Just left work. I needed the essentials. Oh my God, and then it's sex. I don't know if you guys are gonna see that. We're gonna have to catch him. Hold on, we'll be back.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
And just like that, the boy teleported. What's good, boy? What's good? 440,000 outside. Mr. Sticks himself.
Yo, you guys know my car never got gas, so bro, I got stuck on the freaking on the what is the thing called? Intersection, bro. It was the worst day of my life, so I need to go fill up right now, bro.
He could have called me. I would have pushed it for him.
Word.
He don't know. My car swallowed the belt, and I had to push it up Jerome.
You someone I can't get away from. I act like you're someone to win. I prepare cause I know when the day comes, I know it will be the end.
Your boy Sticks in the 440,000. Yo, that white is so clean. So clean. And if you don't subscribe to Sticks, you're doing yourself a dishonesty right now, because that man makes great videos. Go subscribe. I don't even know how you roll, bro. This is our city, bro. This is our city, bro. And the fence is over there. F the fence. Nah, chill. I love you guys. Don't pull me over.
Get dumb nice over here, bro.
Bro, like, oh my God.
Nah, my boy.
I think we playing. We really outside. That's the Sticks mobile right there. Yo, Sticks, let me hear something real quick. God damn. God damn. God damn. God damn. God it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Behind the Sticks mobile for real. Guys, we downtown right now. We're heading to a crepe spot. Heading to the crepe spot. Supposedly there's mad cars that park up there that are mad nice. So right now we just chilling. That Sticks in his mobile. Let's get another downshift. Let's get another downshift with the boys. Bow. 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 Oh, it wasn't as loud that time. I'm sorry, but the 440,000, the 435,000, the F36 is the wave. If you ain't on the wave, you don't know. You don't know. Hold on. Okay. Okay, Sticks. Oh yeah, we got the wheel too, boy. We got the wheel. 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 We got the wheel out here. Oh yeah, Mr. Pothole, Mr. Pothole. Yes, suspension is expensive. Suspension is expensive. Suspension is expensive. Suspension is expensive. God damn. God damn. Shout out to YouTube. Woo! After work vibes, 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 hey, after work vibes, hey. Yeah, boys, we calling it a night. We came to the spot where the crepes is at, and supposedly there's always nice cars. There wasn't really a lot, but you know, me and Sticks just stayed around, chilled a little bit, talked, and you know, it's time to go home. It's about 12 o'clock, literally 12 o'clock, 12:01 on the dot. I'm gonna wait for my boy Sticks up here real quick, so we see him. Can't leave a man behind ever. But today was mad cool. We came down, went to Times Square, and it was just a vibe, bro. Can't wait to do this again. Come down here with a group of people, come down with our group of people, and just have a blast. And on that note, see you guys later. Go check out the other videos, like, comment, subscribe, share. I'll see you next time. Peace out.